Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing good. Welcome to day 36 of our series 99% in 99 days for CBSE mathematics. I hope all of you are doing good. Yes, I hope you are maintaining the energy, solving the questions with me. Okay, I am Ankit Sir coming here on our platform of Diksha Vedanta Foundation YouTube channel every day to come up with a session on questions and on the concepts of every chapter of grade 10, right? So today we're starting a new chapter, bacha, which is Introduction to Trigonometry. In this chapter we'll talk about identities and ratios. Since this is session number 1, we'll talk about ratios in particular. Okay, so I hope you're prepared for that. Okay, so we'll see the ratios of the trigonometry and special angles today, bacha. So I hope you're ready for this. Yes, and please maintain the energy, keep solving the questions with me. Any other query, any other feedback you have, let me know in the comment section. We'll try to come up with the solution for all of your problems. Okay, again related to studies only. So now what you can do, bacha, start with the session. Please take your pen and paper out and solve the questions with me. But before that, we'll see the chapter plan, weightage and some concepts as well. So have a look. So coming up first is the chapter plans. As you know, in this chapter you have a couple of things which is very important. First thing is the ratios of trigonometry, that those are 6 ratios in total. We'll see each of them one by one. Next is what special angles, bacha, means you have to know these angles and their values of the ratios at those angles, which is going to be used directly in the questions for you to solve. Okay, now again you have one more topic which is there, which students are mostly avoiding or afraid of. I don't know why, but it's pretty simple. We have only 3 formulas in that. Trigonometric identity, very important, because if you don't learn this coming year, when you go higher grades and you have to start taking mathematics, this will become much complicated right now. So try to make this as simple as possible. Put some effort. If you're not struggling in this particular topic, put some effort in it. Okay, again I'll take more and more questions in this to help you understand trigonometric identities as well. Okay, so let's look at the weightage now. So again, trigonometry has 12 marks of weightage. Okay, if you check here, so introduction to trigonometry will have 6 marks. Okay, the next chapter is what? Application of trigonometry, that also counts, bacha. So in that there are 2 chapters, right? Application of trigonometry and trigonometry introduction. Okay, 6 marks you can expect over here, in which you have the ratios which can come in the category of 2 marker, MCQ and case study as well. So is identities also come in the category of MCQ, 3 marker, 5 marker and case study as well. Okay, so let's move on to the ratios now. So if you have to define the ratio, what is the ratio, bacha? I'll write in a couple of words. I won't write the full definition. So please check here. What are trigonometric ratio? It is nothing but a relation between, please check, between the acute angles, and sides of a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle, sir. That's how it is. 2 words are very important here: acute angle and the sides. Okay, the relation that we exist or that we make between the acute angles and the sides of the right angle triangle is called as trigonometric ratio. Again, so if you look at this, if you look at the figure which is given alongside, this angle theta is called as what, bacha? Please check. This angle theta is called as, sir, this is called as a reference angle. Reference angle. Okay, reference angle. So if this theta is taken as reference angle, let me name the sides. 1 second. If I call this to be, let's say A, this to be B, and this to be C, this to be C, then I can write the ratios with respect to that reference angle theta as, let's say, sine theta, okay, is given by what, bacha? Is given by opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. So in this case, what is going to be? AB by AC. AB by AC. Now you can make a conclusion over here. Since in the right angle triangle, which is the largest side, always the hypotenuse, sir, it means that sine theta will always be less than 1 or equal to 1 max to max, right or not? Please check. Sine theta, AB can be either equal to AC. Is there a case, sir? If there is a case, I'll show you that. Don't worry, when we are dealing with special angles, which is just right now you can remember, just understand this. For sine theta, this can never be more than 1 because, sir, AC is the largest side. Means this in the denominator, the value which is coming in the denominator is going to be always biggest or equal to the numerator. It means it can never exceed 1. It can never exceed 1. So either less than or equal to 1. Check for cos theta also, bacha. cos theta. Same way, what is this in this case? Adjacent by, again the same thing, hypotenuse. So this one also you check, BC by AC. Again, what is AC, sir? AC is my hypotenuse, which again will be the largest side in the triangle. So this will also be less than or equals to the value 1. Sir, how come equal to? We'll see that, bacha, again when I'm explaining you the value for special angles. Don't worry about that. I'll tell you how sin theta and cos theta can reach the value of 1 with the figure. I'll show you that. Don't worry about it. Okay. The last one is what? Why the last one, sir? Because others are basically reciprocal, right? Sine and cos and tan, if you know, sec, cosec and cot will be the reciprocal of cos, sine and tan. Okay, so please check the third one. Tan theta, right? Tan theta, what's the formula here? Tan theta formula will be opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. So if you write that, what is that going to be? AB by BC. Please check. AB by BC. AB by BC. Okay. Will this be more than 1, sir? It can be. It can be more than 1. Okay. So it can be again any number between 0 to infinity. So it can be all any real number. Okay. It can be any real number. Is that okay? Great, sir. So tan theta is like that. Sine, cos and tan we have now. What about other ratios? So I won't write the values, I'll just write the relations. Okay, so if you check here, fourth one will be simply, if I write cosec theta would be simply, sir, 1 by sine theta. So simply put the value of sine theta over here, opposite by hypotenuse, it will become hypotenuse by opposite. Okay, so yes, the reciprocal of the sine will be cosec. Same goes with sec theta, the reciprocal of cos theta, and we also have cot over here, cot theta as reciprocal of tan theta. I hope this is clear. I know all of you must know this relations, like very basics, right? Very basics. What is that ratios? The relation between the acute angle and the sides of the right angle triangle, and this is the relation like that. We have total of 6 ratios. Please check. 6th is over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last 3 are the reciprocal of the first 3. Is that clear? Yes, sir. Okay. Now, what if I change, bacha? What if I change this reference angle from C to reference angle A? Please check. I will not show you the entire thing, but explain you how this ratios will be changed. So please check. If I draw the same triangle in this fashion, okay, I have again A, B over here, and C over here, and in this time, instead of considering the C as a reference angle, I'll change it to angle A. Let's say I call this to be theta, or if not theta, let's call this to be alpha, some other angle, right? Theta is a variable given for the angle, right? Okay, same way I can take this to be, let's say, alpha. If I do that, what will happen now? For this reference angle, for this, now what is the case here? A is the reference angle. Very important, sir. Very, very important. Students make mistake in this part only. When A is taken as reference angle, your opposite will not be AB, it will become this side. This is your opposite side. 1 second. Yeah. Opposite. And this will become what, bacha? Adjacent. Please check. Will this change? Of course not, sir. Hypotenuse will remain same, na? Because it is the largest side of a right angle triangle. Is it clear? Yes, sir. So only the opposite and adjacent will change its position. Means over here you can check here, AB was the opposite, whereas in this case we are getting BC as the opposite and AB as the adjacent. Is that clear? Yes. So how do you write this? Please check the sine ratio. If I have to ask you to write sine theta will become what, bacha? Opposite by hypotenuse. So we'll write this as BC by AC. Is there a difference, sir? Please check. I had AB by AC in this case. Sine theta, AB by AC. But if the angle is changed, I'm getting BC by AC. If the angle is changed, I'm getting BC by AC. Surprisingly, okay, please check. BC by AC, BC by AC. BC by AC, BC by AC. Sine and cos are same, sir. But for what angles? For angle A and C. Means for angle A, whatever is sine is same for angle B, whatever is cos. This property is taken out of a syllabus, which is called as complementary angle property. Whenever you have two angles sum as 90 degree, na, sine and cos will remain same. Just just a note, if you want to keep it with you, good. If you don't want, it's okay as well. The topic is out of the syllabus. If, check here, what's angle A plus C? So angle B is 90 degree, total sum is 180 degree. Angle B is 90, total sum is 180, means A plus C is 90 degree, means A and C are complementary angle. That's why cos of angle C is equal to sine of angle A. I've written here theta, I have to write it as alpha now. So I've taken alpha as a reference angle, that's why alpha. Cos of angle C is equals to sine of angle A, because A and C are complementary angles. Is that clear? Again, very clearly I'm saying out of syllabus. Complementary angles, complementary ratios are not part of your current portions of CBSE. Okay, is that clear? Please have a look. So same way you can write what again here. Cos alpha will be what, bacha? It will be AB by AC. Please check. AB by AC was sine here, and we are getting what? Cos as AB by AC. Same thing you're going to do with tan also. It will become BC by AB now. BC by AB now. Please check. It was AB by BC here, no? It will become BC by AB now. So for this slide's purpose is to make you clear with the reference angle. When we change the reference angle, the opposite side will change, obviously, no? Check here, for this angle, this is the opposite side, right? And this is the adjacent side, right? As the name suggests, sometime you can take this as also as perpendicular and base. Your choice. Please check. If this is the angle, no, this is the base and this is the perpendicular. If you want, I can just mention this over here. So this, for this angle theta, adjacent is called as also base. If you're using this notations, no problem. This is also correct, and this is called as perpendicular. Opposite is called as perpendicular. Whatever notation you're using, both works, bacha. So you can use this as P, B and H, or opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse. Your choice of notations. Please have a look. I hope this is clear. Okay. Yes. No problem whatsoever. So reference angle part is clear. No problem. Great, sir. So now we will move on to writing some special angles. Writing some special angles means what happens when I have, one second, when I have to write what? Sine of 30 degrees. Sine of 30 degrees. Okay. Sine of 30 degree, cos of 30 degree, like that. So what happens is, bacha, so what we do here now, please check. So first of all, you can draw a triangle like this. What triangle, sir? Equilateral triangle, bacha. What triangle, sir? Equilateral triangle. Please check here. A, B and C. A, B and C. Okay, great. So now join this perpendicular like this. I draw perpendicular like this, AD. Okay. AD is a perpendicular, right, to the side BC of the equilateral triangle. Equilateral means all sides are equal. Have a look. This is A. This is also A. And this also is A. Now you know some properties, right? In equilateral triangle, what happens? This perpendicular bisects the angle. It means this will be what? Total angle of 60 degree. So this will become what, bacha? This will become 30 degrees. Total angle 60 degree, right? Bisector of the angle will make this angle to be, angle BAD to be 30 degrees. Also, this will be half and half. Okay. So it will become what, bacha? It will become A by 2. So if you check and write for this angle in triangle ABD, check here. ABD is simply a right angle triangle now, okay, with this side to be A by 2 and this side to be what, bacha? This side to be simply A, sir. Okay. What is this side called? This side is called as opposite because this is 30 degree now. So opposite, and this is called as adjacent, and this is my hypotenuse. Right now for this angle 30 degree, opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse. Okay, no problem. Chaliye, let's have a look. So I can write this angle sine 30 as what, bacha? Sine of any angle A will be, please check, sine of angle A would be simply BD, please check, BD upon AB. BD opposite upon AB. What are you going to get? BD is what? A by 2 upon A. You cancel A and A, what you're getting? 1 by 2. So sine of A, what is angle A, sir? 30 degree. Right here, sine 30 degree is simply what, sir? 1 by 2. Okay. Again, we can derive all the relations, sine, cos and tan from here. Okay, we don't have to, but we can. How can we do it, sir? Please check. So what we're going to do about cos 30, I can have to find this AD value. Can you find this AD value? Of course. Please check. If I take this to be, let's say, height h, na? Let's not take h. I'll show you how to do it. You can try from your side also. So let me take this to be x, sir. if I take this to be x bacha, okay, I have this side known a by 2, I have this side known a, so I can simply write this x as what's the root of a square minus this side square, so a by 2 the whole square. If you solve this, what are you gonna get? Root 3a by 2, root 3a by 2, sir, root 3a by 2, right? Now please check. Yeah, root 3a by 2. Yes. So 4a square minus will be 3a square, correct. This is the value for x, right? If you use that in the cos formula, you're going to get cos 30 as cos 30 degree as simply root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Okay. Simply you can find tan also, right? You can find tan also, you're going to get this as simply 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 bacha. Okay, so that's not my point. I'm trying to explain you how can you get the values of these. What is it called as? This is called as special angles, sir. Special angles. What are the special angles that we have? Have a look. We have these angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. This is very special angles because you're going to use these relations, okay, in your questions to solve and get the results. Okay, again in the radians you can write these angles. If the angles variable is given as alpha, it's alpha, okay, then you can in the radian form we write this as 0 radian. Pi by 6 is also given as 30 degree, pi by 4 is 45 degree, pi by 3 is 60 degree and pi by 2 is 90 degrees. Okay, what is the value of pi, sir? What is the value of pi? Pi is simply 180 degrees, sir. You can check now. 180 by 6 is 30, 180 by 3 is 60, 180 by 4 is 45 and 180 by 2 is 90 degrees, sir. Great. Okay, now sine 0 will be 0. So you can check I did for sine 30. 0 I'll tell you how. I will tell you this part. Sine 90 is how it's coming as 1. Okay, and same I'll tell you cos 0 also. You can get from there. So I'll tell you sine 90 how it is coming 0 and cos 1 is coming, cos 90 is coming, cos 0 is coming as 1. Okay, rest is what? For the triangle purpose only. I think you'll find these relations in the NCERT also. If you want, you can cross check how to do it. I've shown you over here. I've shown you over here again. Okay, for all the angles you can derive it, but simply what you can do, no, what's the simplest way to find it out? Do one thing, write everything by 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. So what you're gonna do, I'll tell you a shortcut trick to remember all of this. Write this as, okay, I'll show you over here, bacha. Write this as 0. What is the angle? 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree. Okay, I missed the 45 degree, right? So you can memorize this table in this way. 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, right here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, divide by 4, bacha, divide by 4. Okay, and now take the root. Check it out here. 0 by 4 is how much, sir? 0. This is for what, sir? Sine. This was sine, sir. This theta, this is theta again. Sine theta. So this will be 0, sir. 0 by 1 by 4, the root is how much, sir? Simply 1 by 2. 1 root is 1, 4 root is 2. How about this? 2 root will be what, bacha? Please check. I can cancel this. 1 by 2 is there, so 1 by root 2 will be left. 2 and 4 is there, we can cancel, right? This will become what? Root of 3 is simply root 3. Root of 4 is 2 here. 4 by 4 is simply what, sir? 1. And root of 1 is 1 here. So please check. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, right? And 1, root 3 by 2. Same thing. This is what? Root 2 by 2 is what? 1 by root 2, This is just rationalized form. Yes or no? This is the rationalized form, right? This is just root 2 by 2 means 1 by root 2 only. That's what I've written over here. Please check. This is the way to remember all the ratios. Can you do that? Of course, sir. Okay, great. So I hope this is clear. Please have a look. What about cos, sir? Just repeat. 1 you write over here. Whatever is there now. I'm telling you the trick to remember this table. 1 you write over here. Okay. Root 3 by 2 over here. Okay, this remains as the same place. This goes there and this goes there. Means just reverse it. Whatever you got for sine, no, just reverse it for cos from 0 to 90. Just reverse it. Okay. What about tan, sir? What about tan, sir? The ratio bacha of sine and cos. 0 by 1 is 0. 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2 is what? 1 by root 3, because root 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Same way. Please check here. 1. Over here root 3 and over here undefined. This is infinity or undefined, because you'll get 1 by 0, right? You're going to get 1 by 0. Can I define 1 by 0? No, sir. 0 cannot be in the denominator of a fraction. That's why undefined, sir. Okay. Have a look. This is how you remember the tables, bacha. Is that clear? What about the other 3, sir? What about the other 3? We know that they're reciprocal, right? Cosec will be cosec alpha would be reciprocal of sine sec alpha, right? So sec alpha will be reciprocal of cos alpha, and tan alpha will be reciprocal of, same way we can write like this also. Tan is reciprocal of cot, but we're looking for cot value, no? So we'll write here cot alpha reciprocal of tan. So whatever you got for this, take the reciprocal. Basically, if you know the sine value, you can find cos by interchanging the digits from last to first, okay? Tan by taking the ratios, and others are reciprocal. How to find sine? Very simple, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, divide by 4, take the root. Simpler than that? Nothing can be simpler than that, right, sir? So now let's look at I told you I'll help you find the sine 90 degree, okay? So let me just quickly tell you that how we're getting one value, because in a right angle triangle, sir, how can the side become equal to hypotenuse? Please check. So let's say if I've drawn this triangle like this, okay, A, B, and C, this is my angle B 90 degree, okay? This is the theta value, okay? I'm writing this, let's say sine theta. What is, sir? Opposite, so AB by hypotenuse, AC, sir. When I am saying that theta is equals to what, bacha? Please check. 90 degree. How come, sir? Sine 90 is 1, na? What's the meaning of sine 90 being 1? It means what? Please check what it means. What it means, sir? That this value C, this point C has to move very close to B. How come, sir? I can show you. So this AB will remain like this. Please check. This AB will remain like this. And the line AC. Will be looking like this, na? So this is not 90 degree. I'm not saying it's 90 degree, because when you take this angle to be 90 degree, no, they'll become the same line. So I'm telling you this, let's say C, where this angle is how much? This angle is, let's say, 89 degrees. Or any angle right before 90 degree, it'll be a triangle like this, right? But once this angle theta becomes equal to 90 degree, what will happen, bacha? What will happen? This line AB will become equal to AC, no? Please check. Please check, sir. How come, sir? When this theta is at some angle less than 90 degree, you'll have a triangle like this. Yes or no? But if this angle becomes equal to 90 degree, what will happen? This AC will overlap with AB or not? Yes. Yes, sir. What will happen? Please check. This BC will become equal to 0, no, sir? Because B and C will overlap. Because for 90 degree, this line AC has to be perfectly vertical. Then B and C has to overlap. Correct? B and C has to overlap. In that case, AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC means what? We can cancel them. What's the answer? 1. So when theta is 90 degree, AB and AC are equal. We can cancel and write it as 1. That's why sine 90 is, sir, equal to 1. Okay? Okay. Let's take cos 0 also. How cos 0 is 1, sir? Cos theta. I'll draw another triangle over here. Okay? So cos theta is what, sir? Let me draw a triangle like this. Okay, so A, B, C again. This is theta. Okay, what is cos theta, sir? CB by AC. Please check. CB by AC. What's the meaning of 0 degree, sir? What's the meaning of 0 degree? Means this point A, please check. This point A will move towards B. Somewhere where there will be a triangle like this, A will come over here. Means I'm telling you that if this line is CB, okay, then you'll have a triangle like this or not, somewhere. Okay, this will be A point, okay, and this angle is what? Again, theta. This angle is what, sir? Theta. I hope this is visible. No, I'll draw again. Okay, don't worry about it. 1 second, give me just a second. This is what, bacha? This value is theta degree. Okay, so what I'm saying is this theta is something, let's say 1 degree. Means right before 0, right before being 0. Okay, this is how the triangle will look like. But if I take this theta to be what? Going to 0 degree, what will happen? Tell me. This AC will become equal to what, bacha? BC. Because they will overlap, na? They will overlap like this. So AC becomes equal to BC. We can cancel this. Again, 1 we are getting. So cos and sine both can become 1 when sine is reaching this triangle 90 degree, so this kind of triangle, and when the triangle is becoming this kind of triangle, then cos will be what, bacha? 1. So cos 0 is 1 and sine 90 is 1. I've shown you, okay, but the statement remains true. The hypotenuse is the always in a greater side, so sine and cos value cannot reach, a value more than 1. Is that clear? Okay, please have a look. Sine maximum value is 1, cos maximum value is 1. Sine goes from 0 to 1, means increases 0 to 1, and cos decreases from 1 to 0. Is that clear? Okay, chaliye. This is clear. Moving on to question now. I know I've taken a little bit extra time for you to teach you the concepts today, but it was an important chapter, because what happens now, students get confused in these angles. Okay, and you have application of trigonometry as well, where only special angles is being used. If you don't know the special angles, bacha, it'll be difficult for you to solve questions in that. That's why I try to spend more time over here, so that I don't have to spend time in application of trigonometry. Is that clear? Let's solve the first question from the MCQ section, CBSE Delhi paper 2024. Okay, let's have a look. Cos alpha plus beta is 0 degree. What it means? What does it mean, sir? Cos of alpha plus beta 0. Cos 0 is when, sir? When this angle is going to be 90 degrees. Cos 90 is 0, we know that. If we don't know that, have a look. Cos 90 is 0. Okay. It means basically, sir, alpha plus beta is equals to 90 degree. Okay. They are asking us to prove or find the value of this. Half of this. So alpha plus beta by 2 would be simply 45 degree, 90 by 2. Asking for cos value. Cos of alpha plus beta by 2, simply cos of 45 degree. If you remember the table, good. If not, I'll tell you over here. 1 second. Please check. So 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2, option number A is suitable. Have a look. Simple question. Very simple problem. Okay. Moving on to question number 2. If sin theta minus cos theta is 0, then value of the expression, this is how much? Looks difficult, but very easy. See here. From here we can write this. Sin theta minus cos theta is 0. Take cos on this side, bacha. Sin theta is simply cos theta. When this is possible, add theta equals to pi by 4 or 45 degree. This is true only when the sin and cos is what? They're equal when theta is 45 degree. Okay, 45 degrees. Okay, sir. So write here values. Sin for the power 4 of 45 degrees plus cos power 4 of 45 degrees. Sin 45 is how much, sir? 1 by root 2 the power 4 plus 1 by root 2 the power again 4. 1 by root 2 power 4 is how much, sir? 1 by 4. How come? 1 by root 2 square is what? 1 by 2. Square of root 2 is what? Sorry, square of 2 is what? Again 4. That's why like this. Please check. If you're not sure, do the calculation. 2 by 4. Simply 1 by 2. Simply 1 by 2. Option C is suitable. Please have a look. Simple question. Once you get the result from here, that theta is 45 degree, this becomes very, very simple. Is that clear? Yes? Of course. Chaliye. If 4 tan theta is 3, then find the value of this expression given in the bracket. Okay. Difficult? No, sir, not difficult at all. Check from here, bacha. 4 tan theta is 3. Then, sir, tan theta is 3 by 4. How come, sir? Bring this 4 on this side, bacha. Multiplication becomes division, so 3 by 4. Great. Now there are two ways to solve this question. Find the sine and cos from here. How come? Using this right triangle. Tan is, they say this is theta degree. And this is going to be what? 3k, 4k. How come, sir? Tan is opposite by adjacent, so opposite will be 3k and 4k. This will be what? 5k. Sine and cos you can find from here and use this in the equation. Or otherwise you can do what? Take this value. 4 sine theta minus cos theta I have now. Divide this numerator by what, bacha? By cos. And same we divide the denominator also by cos only. Have a look. 4 sine theta plus cos theta divided by cos. Can I do that, sir? Yes. You can divide both the numerator and denominator by same quantity. So cos. Excuse me. Divide 4 sine by cos. 4 sine by cos. Please check. 4 sine theta by cos theta minus cos theta by cos theta. Have a look. Over here. 4 sine theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta. Cancel, 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 cancel. What is that? 4 tan theta, sir. 4 tan theta minus 1, okay, upon 4 tan theta plus 1. Check here, 4 tan theta is 3 value. So 3 minus 1 upon 3 plus 1, getting this as 2 by 4, getting this as 1 by 2, which speaks the answer to be simply option number C again. So 1 by 2 is the right answer. Have a look. Is it difficult? Please check. Is it difficult? No, sir. Either use this property from here using the tan theta as 3 by 4, or use this directly, getting the answer to be 1 by 2. Both will give you the same result. Okay, both approach will give you the same result. Find sine and cos from here and get this answer to be equals to 1 by 2. Okay, again method 2 is simpler. Moving on to the assertion reason question. Let's check the first assertion reason. If sine alpha plus cos beta is 1, alpha is 30 degree, okay, then beta is acute angle, okay, and then beta is 60 degree. Correct. Now this is right, sir. Yeah, they've got it given here. So this is option A also. You don't worry. Please check what they've given here. Check here. They've given sine alpha plus cos beta, right? Sine alpha is what, sir? 30. So sine 30 plus cos. What is the cos beta, sir? 60. Please check. So cos 60. Sine 30 is how much, sir? Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is what, sir? Again 1 by 2. Have a look. They're giving the answer as 1, which is correct, no? And how are we getting this value? Cos 60 is what, sir? 1 by 2. It means it is right. It's right, no? So option number A is suitable. Option number A is suitable. Sine 30 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, which makes it to be 1. Simple question, assertion reason. I hope all of you got the right answer. Yes. Assertion, check here. Second question, cos theta is 5 by 3. How is it possible, sir? 5 by 3 is more than 1. No. Let's write a triangle. Let's draw a triangle like this, triangle ABC. Okay. This is theta. What I'm getting, bacha? Cos theta is what? Check here. Cos theta is, sir, adjacent. So BC upon AC. What they've given here? 5 by 3. Please have a look. 5 by 3. What I'm getting? BC upon AC. It means what? Please check. It means that AC, right, is less than BC. Correct, na? Denominator is smaller, right? Means AC is less than BC. AC, can the hypotenuse be less than any other side of a right angle triangle? Can the hypotenuse be less than any other triangle or right angle triangle? Please check. Not true, sir. Hypotenuse is the largest side. Is the largest side. Where? In the right angle triangle. Okay? It means the value of cos theta is never possible. 5 by 3 is never possible. Okay? In the right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the largest side. Both of them are true and explains as well. So both assertion and reason is true, and reason explains the assertion. Correct? Please check. BC by AC I'm getting as 5 by 3. It means what? BC is more than AC. Correct, na? BC is more than AC. That's not possible, sir. So this is right. Now, so we've done 5 questions today, done a lot of concept also. I hope this was helpful, and I have a very important announcement for all of you, for all the 10th graders who are watching this session. Okay, what's the announcement, sir? So every year, bacha, we conduct our DSAT program, which is called Diksha Scholarship Aptitude Test. What it does, no, it helps the students of 10th grade to make a right career choice. How it does, sir? Let's say you're somebody but you're not clear with it. When you talk to your parents or talk to with your friends, okay, any discussion that you're having right now, or in group studies or wherever you are having, in a cafe, wherever you're sitting with your friends and having this discussion, what is my plans after 10th grade? Maybe you say some answer but you're not clear with your answer. You don't feel confident with your answer. So you don't have that clarity what you want to do after 10th grade. So this program is for you. This will help you understand whether you should choose science with mathematics, with bio, go with arts, go with commerce, okay? What exactly is most suitable for you? This will be, this program will be helping you decide that, okay? We conduct this program in offline campuses Diksha, okay? On the Sundays for 3 hours. I'm very sure you can give this 3 hours with us on Diksha offline campuses. Why, bacha? This will help you decide, sir, exactly what you should, do with your career. How can you proceed to the next step, okay? But again, if you're somebody who is very clear what they want to do, let's say, sir, I'm somebody who want to do engineering, no problem, very good, sir. Then this program will help you understand the competency level of JEE, KSET and NEET. Means what is more suitable for you, what is the current position that you should be going with, and how can you get better, how can you improve so that you are able to face this competition in a very positive manner and get the best outcome for you. Okay, how it does that, we'll talk about that in detail when I talk you through with the structure of this program. Then you'll understand clearly that okay, yes, this actually makes sense and this will help me a lot for sure. Just understand this for now. 3 hours Sunday with our offline camp partner Diksha, where you can get enrolled and get this benefit. Okay, how to do that? This link with this web page link is given in the description. Go ahead, check this out. Once you visit this web page, enroll yourself, get in touch with our team and book your slot on Sunday. Clear? Okay, how it helps, I'll talk about that at the last of this session when I've completed all the questions with you, and then you can decide, okay, yes, this makes sense, sir, I'm gonna certainly do that, sir. Okay, is it clear? Moving on to the question number 6. Have a look. Question number 6. If 3 cot A equals to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A equals to cos square A minus sin square A or not. CBSE September paper 2011. Have a look. Have a look, sir. Okay. So what I'm getting over here, please check. I'm getting what, bacha? 3 cot A is 4. It means what? Cot A is 4 by 3. It means what? Tan A is 3 by 4. Is that clear? Tan is reciprocal of cot. Cot is 4 by 3 means tan will be 1 upon 4 by 3. Simply 3 by 4. Draw a right angle triangle like this. I can draw a bigger right angle triangle. Okay, let me draw. Give me 1 second. Check this out. This is angle A. Okay, B where right angle is, and C over here. So if this is angle A, tan is what? Opposite by adjacent. So this is what, bacha? This is 3K. Why K, sir? Because we don't know exactly what is the ratio, right? The value we don't, only ratio we know. So we have to take 3K. Over here, I can take 4K, sir. If you use the Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, please check what I'm going to get. I'm going to get AC as square of what, bacha? 3K, square root of 3K square plus 4K square. 4K square. Okay, how much is that? 9K square plus 16K square. How much is that? 25K square. How much is that? Simply 5K. Simply 5K. Okay, great. Now let's write what? I want tan, right? So LHS I can find, but before I go and do the proving of LHS and RHS, I find cos A I need, na bacha, and sin A also I need. Let's me find the cos A and sin A. Let's just do that quickly. So cos A, if I'm finding cos of angle A, have a look. Cos of angle A. Cos of angle A is what, bacha? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So AB by AC. What's AB, sir? 4K by 5K. Please check. What I'm getting? Simply 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Same back and go and write this. Sin A. What is that, sir? Please check. Sin A is going to be opposite. So BC by AC. BC by AC. What is BC, sir? Please check. 3K by, what is that? 5K, sir. So 3 by 5. Now let's look at the LHS part. Let's look at the LHS part quickly now. Okay, so LHS, have a look. What I'm getting for LHS, sir? 1 minus tan square. 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. Great. Have a look. What's tan, sir? 1 3 by 4. So 1 minus 3 by 4 the square, right? 1 plus 3 by 4 the square, right? Have a look. 1 minus 9 by 16 upon 1 plus 9 by 16. Have a look. 16 minus 9 by 16. If you take LCM, 16 minus 9 by 16 upon 16 plus 9 by 16. 16 gone. Check the numerator. 16 minus 9 is how much, sir? 7. 16 plus 9 is what, sir? 25. So what is my LHS value? My LHS is coming as this value, 7 by 25. 7 by 25. Let me check now. RHS, what is that? Cos square minus sin square, sir. RHS, sir, is coming as cos square A minus sin square A. Please check the cos A value. 4 by 5. Simply 4 by 5 the whole square minus sin A 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 the whole square. Check here, 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. LCM is 25, 16 minus 9. So simply 7 by 25, which is nothing but equals to LHS. Please check. What are we getting? Verified, sir, that LHS is equals to RHS. Check here, LHS 7 by 25, RHS, sir, 7 by 25, which is equals to LHS. Is that clear? Simple question. Have a look. This doesn't look like 9. I'll change it to be looking like 9, sir. Clear? Yeah? Okay. Question number 7. Let's solve it. Sin A by A minus B is 1 by 2. Cos A plus B is 1 by 2. Where A plus B is between 0 to 90 degree and A is greater than B. Okay. Find angle A and angle B. Okay. CBSE 2024 paper. Please have a look. Sin A minus B is 1 by 2. If you know the special angle, you know A minus B is how much, sir? If you know the table, A minus B is what, sir? 30 degrees. How come, sir? Please check. Sin 30 is what, bacha? Is 1 by 2. Same way. Please check. When is cos A? When is cos 1 by 2, sir? At 60 degree. At 60. So cos, 1 second. Yeah, I can write like this. Cos 60. It means simply what? A plus B is 60 degrees. Equation 2. Add 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and equation 2. If you do that, what are you getting? A plus A is what, sir? 2A. And minus B plus B is what, sir? 0. Equals to what, bacha? Please check over this side. 60 plus 30. 60 plus 30 is what, sir? 90 degrees. This is plus 0. Doesn't look like it, so I'll change this. What I'm getting this A value from here? 2A is 90 means A is 45, sir. A is 45 degrees, sir. Please check. A minus B is 30 means what? 45 degrees minus B is 30. Means what? B is simply 15 degrees. B is simply 15 degrees. Have a look. A is 45 degree, B is 15 degree. Add them. A minus B is 30. 45 minus 15 is 30. And when you add them, you get 60 degrees, which is right. So angle A and angle B value is written over here. 45 degrees and 15 degrees. Have a look. Please have a look. Okay, so as I said, I'll talk about the structure of the research program, how it exactly helps you. So what it does, bacha, it's a 3-hour session on Sunday at offline campuses Diksha. Great. Now once you visit the campus, what happens is we take first a concept session. Means we'll teach you something for 45 minutes and 15 minutes you can ask your doubts also. So in the first hour you have to learn something and get your doubts clear in the first hour. Based on that session, you'll have a test conducted. Okay, you'll have to write aptitude test for 1 hour. Once you've written the test, we'll evaluate your test paper. Okay, and then you can sit with our team of counselors and faculties, and we'll explain you what was your approach. Was it good? Can you do better? Or you are struggling somewhere. So whatever is the right evaluation of your paper, your approach will let you know that. And if you have questions from your side to ask, our team of experts, you can ask that as well. Get all of your doubts cleared from our side. If you want, you can list down all the questions at one place in one piece of paper, and then come to the session on Sunday. And I'm very sure that once you're leaving from the research program, you'll be very, very satisfied and you've got all the answers that you're looking for. I can guarantee that. Okay, so please make sure that you visit our campuses. 3 hours on Diksha campuses. I'm sure you can do that, right? How to do that? Enroll through the link given in the description. Okay, this is it, bacha. So I hope you've enjoyed the session. I hope to see you, and this is it. So please If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, we are putting a lot of efforts to come here every day with a session on science and mathematics to help you achieve your goal of 99%, to help you revise all of your portions for CBSE examination, board examination. So please give us a like if you like the sessions, and if you think that somebody can benefit from the session, please share it with them as well. For now, this is the end of the session. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.